welcome back to the channel. Real quick, I want to talk about, let me turn this bell off. This is a Dodge, this is a Challenger, but I want to talk about, I just got a question off my YouTube page from a subscriber. Thank God he's a subscriber. And what he asked me was, he talking about his transmission. Now, he have a 5-speed transmission in his car. He have a nag transmission in his car. Some of you all know what the nag, that car, I think the year was a 09. It's going to have either a nag or 42RE transmission installed, but he has the nag because I looked it up. He has a nag transmission. Well, the problem he's having is he can't seem to find the TCM. So y'all know me, if I can shoot a quick video faster than I can, texting all this information, I might as well do that. And that's exactly what I'm doing. So this let me take this out. This Challenger, Dodge Challenger, it's gonna be the same thing as the Charger and the Magnum. If your car is equipped with a nag transmission, ladies and gentlemen, here is your TCM. Okay, let me get you a good view of this. In fact, let me turn this camera this way. All right, here is your TCM. Okay, it is totally different from the other cars. 42RE RE will have the TCM functions inside of the PCM. You know, we use some of our next generation, some of Chrysler next generation controllers handle both functions, the engine and the transmission. So, but the nag is like a unique transmission in that it has its own separate transmission control module, and this is it. It is housed under the steering wheel. Okay, as y'all can see, I'm under the steering wheel. All you have to do is remove, of course, the cover and this little bracket here. That's if you're replacing it. Now, I didn't get into specific why he's looking for it or why he's fixing to replace it, but the question there seemed to be pointing toward replacing it, and he didn't know where it was. So actually, not that he didn't know where it was, he thought it was part of the controller. It is not. This is your nag transmission, TCM right here. Just held on by, just if you're replacing this, held on by about 3 screws, little Phillips head screws. Okay. Again, I have no idea why you need to know that. It would be interesting to know because I have yet to replace one of these ever. Okay, y'all know how a controller work. You need 3 things for a controller to work. Power supply, ground, and the bus network need to be active. Okay, that is pretty much, a lot of people are replacing controllers for absolutely no reason at all. I mean, it got to a point one time in the dealership, Chrysler sent us to special training to be able to diagnose these, because a lot of people was they was guessing. You see what I'm saying? They was guessing, and they guess was very expensive. They was making expensive guess, and half of the time they were saying the controllers that we sent back, there was no problem with it. So like I said, I have no idea why you're replacing yours. As you know, this nag got a harness that runs underneath the car to the actual transmission. Okay, in fact, I got a nag transmission over here on my table. Let's go around here and see something right quick. All right, this thing, I ended up replacing this. I don't even remember the reason why, but it is, this is the nag transmission, and this is where the harness go into. Okay, so I would, if you chasing some kind of electrical problem, I would take a real good look at the harness that goes in here. Okay, because it wraps under the transmission, and it can easily rub on the body of the transmission. So check all your electrical wiring before you go just replacing a TCM in this car. Okay, so yes, that's exactly what I would do. Now, here's where he got stuck at. He's like, I got the module out, and this is where the module, the PCM, is housed. Now, on other cars, you will have one connector missing. Okay, if your car is equipped with a nag transmission, That fourth connector, which is green, that's the connector reserved for transmission functions. Okay, I don't want to pull this controller out, but if you look down there, there's only 3 connectors on this. The typical Chrysler PCM has 4, but because this transmission has a nag, or this car has a nag transmission in it, all the transmission functions are inside the TCM. Okay, but yeah, I just happen to have one in my stall. What are we doing to this thing? I can't even remember. I am about to. Oh, this car has a misfire, so I got to do some diagnosing and go from there. But I want to stay on topic. That nag transmission, that TCM is under the steering column, guy. So thanks for your question. Mainly thanks for subscribing and watching the videos. I appreciate it. If y'all have any questions, please go ahead and ask. I have no problem answering questions. But like I say, I probably will ask that you simply subscribe to the channel. I don't think that's too much to ask for, but that's all I have, man. I'll catch y'all on the next video. Thanks for watching, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next video.